Hi baddies, welcome back to my channel. First things first, we're going to prime with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk and a bit of concealer.
I just like the sound of it.
Bitch, look at that mess. Ew. Now I'm going in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Yeah, it's a really good palette. It's colorful, it's cheap, and you can get it on BH Cosmetics website. Go get it. I'm the plug, definitely. I'm gonna take that light blue shade, and I'm firstly gonna pack that on my crease, and then I'm gonna blend upward, get that gradient effect, you know what I'm saying? And then you just want to go little by little. Pack on color, you know. Just pack on the color, blend it, take your time. There's no rush, honey. No rush. We're good. I'm spending so much time talking about shit that's so irrelevant, but we're going to go in with a Morphe brush, not sponsored by Morphe. And we're going to take that darker blue palette from the Brazil palette. Wait, what the fuck am I talking about? No. Okay, wait, pause. We're gonna take the darker blue from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and blend that in the crease. And then after that, we're gonna go in with the NYX glitter primer, glitter glue, whatever the hell. It doesn't matter. Just get something that sticks to your eye so that the glitter can adhere. And then I'm gonna take a silver glitter and we're gonna smack that bitch on. Once you've done that, the eye look is basically complete. Jesus Christ. Once you've done that, the eye look is basically complete and we can move on to the base. I'm going to go in with two different primers. I think I went in with the NYX hydrotouch and then the baby skin pore filler. And then after that, I'm going to color correct because your girl got a lot of dark spots around her mouth and her nose. But that's no biggie. As long as you get that orange corrector in, everything will look snatched. After that, we're going to go in with foundation. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way, the best foundation on the market if you like medium coverage. My dumbass said in my last video that this was too light for me, but it was just the lighting, so obviously I need to catch a clue. Despite the fact that it kind of looked like a peanut butter baby, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and then on top of that I'm going to use a bit of the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Honey because I need a highlighting shade, and then I'm going to basically conceal my under eye bags and add concealer to the places that I want more coverage.
I just like the sound of it.
Sis, my newest trick for looking like a tan glowing goddess is to use cream contour instead of powder contour. Elf sells a contour kit for really inexpensive, I think like $6, and it blends like a dream. So I'm just cream contouring my forehead, my cheekbones, my nose, and a little bit beneath my lip to make it look like I got those injections, you know what I'm saying?
I just like the sound.
After that, I took all of the gross, disgusting, crusty, musty, dusty foundation off my lips because in my last video I forgot to do that and I looked like an ill, disgusting person. But after that, I'm going to set with my Fit Me powder, and I love this powder. It is gorgeous on the skin, and then I'm going to bronze with my Tarte Shape Tape. And I don't really need to do this stuff, but I'm extra, and I wanted that extra oomph. So I put more powder bronzer on top of the cream bronzer. But that's like not a big deal because if anything, the powder bronzer is just going to set the cream bronzer. Now we're just going to wipe off all of that bake, and then we are going to clean up the bronzer because I used a big ass brush to bronze my face. And then the most important step nowadays, the Anastasia blush kit, the pinkest, most prettiest shade in the palette, all up on the cheeks, on the bridge of your nose, anywhere else you really want to put it. It just makes you look cutesy, it makes your skin look like there's life to it, and I absolutely adore this palette. After I put on those eyelashes, I'm gonna go back in with the eyes, that blue shade under the, what's that called? What is that called right there? The lower lash line. You want to just, oh my god, I'm losing my fucking voice. You just want to blend that on the lower lash line. And then I thought I was cute and did like this cute little orange thing next to the blue, but that didn't work out, so I didn't show it. Don't do that. Just blend out blue on your lower lash line, and if you want, put white eyeliner on your lower lash line like I did. Now we shall drown ourselves in Mario Bedescu aloe spray and highlight. This is a good highlighter, y'all. Get on this highlighter today. Go to your local Walmart, your local Walgreens, your local Target, and go pick this up. It's like $4 and it is blinding, and they have countless amounts of shades. After I'm done with that, I'm just gonna chuck on a random lip gloss, and then the look is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and peace. I will see you all in the next one. Love you.
Bitch!